So I need to change the rear light cluster on my XF. One, it got a crack in it, but now the flasher indicator is failing. I've got both hazard lights running at the moment, and as you can see, sometimes it works, but you get a slight flicker. So I've got a whole new light unit, so I'm hoping that replacing the light unit will fix the problem. What you need to do to get into it is remove the casing from here. So what I'll do is I'll just take this off, and that will then expose effectively under here the bolts. You can see there the bolts. All I need to do is take those 3 off, this one, and the one at the back, and then disconnect the actual light cluster itself. So once I've done that, I will show you what it looks like. I'm hoping it's not a relay problem, and it's just purely an issue with the light cluster. Right, so this is the housing area. This is the wiring harness. You just have to release the top clip here to push it down, and that releases the clip. You can see the connectors. You can see the holes, obviously, where the bolts go in, and then this is the gathering rivet, whatever you like to call it. Unit's now out. So here's the stock unit, and we'll take a look at the new one on the inside. Right, so this is the new part. Same wiring harness. This one seems to be made by Varaco, and this one is a Vistian make, so it's slightly different. This was year it was made is 2015. There's the Jaguar Land Rover stock code. There's the one on the old one, and you can see here those are the rubber pads, and then this is the top view, and then this is the same on this one. Currently this has got its protective plastic coating on, so what I'll do is I will take the plastic coating off once I got it outside, and then I'll place it into the car, and we'll see how it all fits. But looks the same part, as you can see here, minus the fact that my old one has got some cracks in it. Right, new unit is in place, but I haven't slotted in properly, and you can see here it's flashing at the same time as the last one. They're in sync. I'll do a light test in a minute. Still not fully installed, but just to show, there the lights are on. Need to get some of that out of the way. So hopefully that's the fix for my broken indicator.